Harley riders love to hop on their hogs, fire up their engines, and hit the open road, riding wherever the spirit moves them. But no matter where you go, no matter how fun the ride, it eventually has to come to a stop. And when it's an emergency stop on dry pavement, gravel, leaves, rain, or any slick surface, maintaining control of the bike can be a challenge. That's what your Harley-Davidson anti-lock brake system is all about: control. Its purpose is to help you maintain control of your bike when braking in a straight line emergency situation. Harley-Davidson's independent ABS is a manual brake system that helps you maintain control. Both brakes are operated independently, ensuring that the rider is in control of how each brake is applied, equipping you with the tools you need to prevent uncontrolled wheel lockups and washouts caused by improper braking. But ABS isn't a cure-all, and using it properly requires an understanding of its strengths and limitations. You know it's working when you brake fast and hard in an ABS-equipped car, because you can hear it and feel it in your foot. The pedal pulses up and down rapidly as the anti-lock system takes over, modulating the brakes far faster than you could yourself. With Harley-Davidson's ABS, you'll know the system is working when you feel a pulsing sensation in the hand lever and brake pedal during an ABS brake event. When you are in an emergency stopping situation, it's important to keep the brakes applied, to ride out the pulses and maintain your pressure on the brakes. Please be aware that even with ABS, you may hear an audible chirp or see a black mark from the tire on a surface. The wheel does not need to lock for this to occur and is possible during an ABS braking event. On a non-ABS equipped motorcycle, an over-applied brake can lead to wheel lock, where one or both tires stop rolling, causing the driver to lose control. The fundamental purpose of ABS is to keep the wheels rolling, which in turn allows continued control of the motorcycle. As you can see, on a non-ABS equipped motorcycle, it's hard for the test rider to keep the bike upright and the outrigger from touching on this very slick surface, similar to ice. If you lock the rear wheel, the back of the motorcycle may come out from under you, causing the bike to wash out. If you lock the front wheel, you may lose steering control and balance. The front end can tuck under you and may cause the bike to go down. With ABS, the test rider doesn't fight the handlebars to keep them from turning, and the outriggers aren't touching the ground. The ABS makes use of standard BrakeMaster cylinders and calipers, but it also features a skillfully designed system that includes an ABS module, wheel speed sensors, magnetically encoded wheel bearings, and the brake lines that link them all together. To maintain the Harley-Davidson look, our engineers made exceptional efforts to integrate ABS into your VRSC or touring bike. So which Harley has ABS? Can't tell? That's intentional. They look nearly identical when going down the road. But while they may look the same, there's definitely a difference during an emergency braking event. Here's how ABS works. Wheel speed sensors read the encoded wheel bearings and send signals back to the ABS module, which continuously monitors wheel speeds for any decelerations that are out of the ordinary. When a brake is applied, pressure is increased in the calipers. If one or both wheels slow down too quickly, indicating they are close to locking, or if deceleration doesn't match a criteria stored in the memory, the ABS module instantly responds, rapidly opening and closing valves to modulate the brake pressure being applied by the rider. And remember what we said, Harley-Davidson's ABS is a manual assist system. It only works if you continue to apply consistent pressure to your brakes during an ABS brake event. So don't take your hand or foot off the lever or pedal when pulsing starts. And don't try to pump the brakes yourself. The system is pumping them for you, faster than you can, up to 7 times per second. This pulsing sensation in the brake pedal and/or hand lever and grinding or clicking noises coming from the module are normal. Some riders have suggested that ABS lengthens their stopping distance, that they can brake better without ABS. But testing by Harley Davidson engineers shows that is rarely true. In fact, an average rider on an ABS-equipped bike will have shorter stopping distances than on a bike without ABS. Testing has also shown that riders of all skill levels achieve more consistent stopping distances on ABS-equipped bikes. Conclusion? ABS-equipped motorcycles provide the best emergency braking performance overall. The same holds true for control. Testing also shows that if riders use ABS properly, applying consistent force throughout the pulsing, they are more likely to maintain control of their bikes on slick pavement, dirt and gravel, and other emergency situations. But while ABS is a terrific advantage, it's no substitute for safe riding. In some conditions, ABS offers few, if any, additional benefits, such as steering and cornering. While ABS may help you steer and stop your car in a curve, don't expect it to help your bike there. The reason? The laws of physics still apply. The safest way to stop a two-wheeled vehicle is upright, with both wheels straight. What that means is, with or without ABS, you must continue to approach curves appropriately, as ABS offers no additional protection in these situations. So now you're ready to ride an ABS-equipped bike. But before you do, let's run through a few things. First, when you start your Harley Davidson ABS-equipped bike, the ABS warning light will begin to flash. The light will continue flashing until the system completes a self-diagnostic check. That will happen when you reach a speed of approximately 3 miles per hour. Then the light will go out. If the warning light stays on solid, the ABS system has detected something wrong and has deactivated. Your bike brakes will behave like a non-ABS equipped Harley. If the ABS light stays on, have your motorcycle checked by an authorized Harley Davidson dealer. In summary, here are some key points to remember. Even with ABS, your bike must be upright with wheels straight in order to brake safely. And when braking in an ABS event, apply consistent pressure throughout the pulsing action. ABS is designed to help you maintain control when braking. On dry pavement, gravel, leaves, rain, or any slick surface. Used properly, your optional factory-installed anti-lock braking system will help you reduce risk in real-world riding conditions. Simple, effective, elegantly packaged. Harley Davidson ABS.